Today, we would like to discuss the health benefits of cantaloupes and offer you some recipes using them. Cantaloupes, also known as muskmelons, are a popular and delicious fruit with a rich history and numerous health benefits. Cantaloupes are believed to have originated in ancient Persia, modern-day Iran, and were cultivated in the region for thousands of years. They were introduced to Europe during the Roman Empire, and eventually made their way to the Americas through European exploration and colonization. The name cantaloupe is thought to have originated from the Italian papal town of Cantalupo, where these melons were cultivated in the 1700s. Today, cantaloupes are widely grown in many countries and are enjoyed by people around the world. Nutritional benefits. Cantaloupes are not only delicious but also nutritious. They provide several health benefits. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Cantaloupes are a good source of essential vitamins and minerals, particularly vitamin C, vitamin A, in the form of beta-carotene, potassium, and folate. These nutrients are important for maintaining overall health and well-being. Antioxidant properties. The beta-carotene in cantaloupes acts as a powerful antioxidant. Antioxidants help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to various diseases and aging. Eye health. Vitamin A, derived from beta-carotene, is essential for good vision and eye health. It helps prevent night blindness and supports the health of your retina. Hydration. Cantaloupes have a high water content, making them a hydrating fruit. Staying properly hydrated is crucial for many bodily functions, including digestion, circulation, and temperature regulation. Digestive health. The fiber content in cantaloupes can aid digestion and help prevent constipation. Fiber also supports a healthy gut by promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Weight management. Cantaloupes are relatively low in calories and high in water and fiber, making them a great choice for those looking to manage their weight. They can help you feel full with fewer calories. Skin health. The vitamin C in cantaloupes contributes to the production of collagen, which is essential for skin elasticity and wound healing. Consuming vitamin C-rich foods like cantaloupes may promote healthier and more youthful-looking skin. Heart health. Potassium, found in cantaloupes, is important for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. A diet rich in potassium can help reduce the risk of hypertension and related heart diseases. Cautions. While cantaloupes offer many health benefits, there are a few precautions to keep in mind. Food safety. Cantaloupes can be susceptible to contamination with harmful bacteria, such as Salmonella or E. coli. It's essential to wash the fruit thoroughly before cutting and consuming. Store cut cantaloupe in the refrigerator to minimize bacterial growth. Allergies. Some individuals may be allergic to cantaloupes. If you experience symptoms like itching, hives, or swelling after eating cantaloupe, consult a healthcare professional. Moderation. As with any food, moderation is key. While cantaloupes are healthy, consuming them in excessive amounts can contribute to calorie intake. Be mindful of portion sizes as part of a balanced diet. Here are some recipes for your health. Cantaloupe smoothie. Ingredients. 1 cup diced cantaloupe. A half cup Greek yogurt. A half cup orange juice. 1 tablespoon honey, optional for added sweetness. Ice cubes, optional. Mint leaves for garnish, optional. Place the diced cantaloupe in a blender. Add Greek yogurt, orange juice, and honey, if desired. If you prefer a colder smoothie, you can also add a few ice cubes. Blend all the ingredients until smooth and creamy. Pour the smoothie into a glass, garnish with mint leaves if desired, and enjoy. Benefits. Vitamin C. This smoothie is packed with vitamin C from the cantaloupe and orange juice, which supports immune function and skin health. Protein. Greek yogurt adds protein, which is essential for muscle repair and overall health. Hydration. Cantaloupe has a high water content, making this smoothie hydrating and refreshing. Antioxidants. Cantaloupe is rich in antioxidants, which help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Cantaloupe facial mask. Ingredients. 1/4 cup mashed cantaloupe. 1 tablespoon plain yogurt. 1 teaspoon honey. In a small bowl, mash the ripe cantaloupe until it becomes a smooth pulp. Add plain yogurt and honey to the mashed cantaloupe. Mix the ingredients thoroughly to create a consistent paste. Cleanse your face with a gentle cleanser. Apply the cantaloupe mask evenly to your face, avoiding the eye area. Leave the mask on for about 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse your face with lukewarm water and pat it dry with a clean towel. Follow up with your regular skincare routine. Benefits. Skin hydration. Cantaloupe is hydrating and can help moisturize your skin. Gentle exfoliation. The natural enzymes in cantaloupe can help exfoliate dead skin cells gently. Soothing. The yogurt and honey in the mass can soothe the irritated skin and provide a calming effect. Vitamins. Cantaloupe is a source of vitamins A and C, which can support skin health and combat signs of aging. Cantaloupe and mint infused water. Ingredients: a half cantaloupe, peeled, seeded, and cubed. A handful of fresh mint leaves. 8 cups of water. Ice cubes, optional. Place the cantaloupe cubes and fresh mint leaves in a large pitcher. Fill the pitcher with 8 cups of water. Refrigerate for at least 2 hours or overnight to allow the flavors to infuse. Serve chilled, with or without ice cubes. Benefits: hydration. Cantaloupe-infused water is a refreshing and hydrating beverage, perfect for staying cool on hot days. Minty freshness. The mint leaves not only add a refreshing flavor, but also have potential digestive benefits. Natural flavor. This infused water offers a subtle and natural cantaloupe flavor without added sugars or artificial ingredients.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. See you soon.